I'm gonna tuck in. It's delicious. I'm gonna put some lime on it. Lime always tastes really delicious. And he's given me a lot of lime, luckily. I think it makes my fingers sting a bit. The lime goes in my cracks of my fingers. Ooh. See, it goes in my little cracks of my fingers. I get cracks in my thumbs and fingers in the winter. So annoying.
Like a cleanser? Yeah.
Oats taste better with lime. I'm just trying not to get into my fingers, it's really stink, you know what I mean? I've got loads of nice vegetables this time, more than I usually have, it's great. Variety, you know what I mean? Just look at that. I better get on munching. Alright, I've spent about 3 minutes squeezing limes. I'm enjoying it so much I keep getting the cameras on me.
Thank you. You're welcome.
I can stay doing this all day going, You can tell I love my food. It's such nice food, really delicious. tastes delicious. I mean, really, really, really delicious. I bet you wish you were here eating this with me now.